Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to top up the data on your Airalo eSIM. Also, if you are buying your first Airalo eSIM, I've left a discount code in the description, so be sure to check it out. So first of all, you can come here on airalo.com or you can launch your Airalo application. Just make sure that you sign in into your account first. Now over here, select the option of My eSIMs on the top, and here you just have to select the eSIM that you want to top up. If your plan supports the top up, you are going to see the top up button on the eSIM details page. Now you just have to simply tap on the option of top up, and then you just have to simply choose the data package that best fits your need. Make sure that you review the data amount, the validity, the period, and the price before continuing further. Now, when you continue further, you just have to do nothing but to just simply complete the payment using the preferred payment method or Air Money if you have available credits. So once the payment is successful, the new data package will be added to your eSIM automatically. If you don't see the top up option, your current eSIM may not support the recharge. So in that case, you will need to purchase a new eSIM plan for the same destination instead. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.